Hi, welcome to today's session. Today we'll be learning to make this beautiful painting using acrylics. So I've set up my paper. I have taped it all around with masking tape, and we are going to now mix our basic colors and figure out how to start with this painting. I'm not going to be drawing anything on this, and I'm going to directly start painting for the sky. So it's starting with some white and some cobalt blue, and all you need to do is go with your brush left and right. I'm using a flat brush over here because it's really easy then to cover the area and to get like a really nice blend. So lots of whites, lots of blue. As I'm going towards the middle of the paper, that is where my sky ends, I'm adding a lot more of white, and to make the contrast see even more, I'm going to add a little bit of darker blue towards the top. Do all of this while your paints and the base are still wet, otherwise it's really hard to blend. In that case, what happens if everything is dried is you will have to end up creating another layer of white and blue, and you have to keep blending it over and over again. Only then it will be possible for you to blend it very smoothly. Otherwise you'll see a lot of patches. So when you're working with acrylics, make sure that you're slightly quick in your painting. And there are two types again of acrylics. One will have heavy body and one will have light body. My white is pretty light body and my other colors are slightly thicker, which is why I tend to use a lot more of the white to make sure that my blues blend in well. Like you can see over here, the white had no patches, but then when I'm adding the blue, it's got quite a bit of patches over here. So this whole painting, it's like an ombre. It's going from blue to white and again to darker blue at the bottom. Now that my entire blue patch and white patch is done, I love how the blend has come. I'm going to let it to dry, because unless it dries we cannot add in more layers, otherwise the colors will start mixing with each other and you'll get another new color formed altogether. So this is how it looks once it has dried, and I'm going to now create a little bit of the mountain kind of effect on the left hand side at my horizon. I really like in creating these shadow effects, In case your shadow becomes too much, you're not able to manage it, you just have to wait for it to dry, and you can probably paint over the entire thing with white and blue again if you want to, or you can just put in like some light blue lines cutting in the middle of your shadow if you're not able to get these cross lines from beginning itself. It's now time to create the boat. The little details are what make all the difference in a painting. So here I'm going to be adding all the little details inside the boat to give it the depth. So the inner parts will all be dark because they have a lot of shadow which is happening over there, and the outer parts will be slightly lighter, which is why now I'm adding these inner details. I also like the shadow effect under the boat, so it gives also the indication that it is probably stationary. It is at that place, it's not moving about, and it also gives you a good idea of how far the mountain or these trees at the back are, like a tiny island at the back. wait for this to dry, maybe add a little bit of touch-up details here and there, and once it's dried, I'm going to remove the masking tape and see how the painting looks. I really like how the effect has come out, especially from a distance. This is going to look amazing. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and this inspires you to create lots of beautiful paintings. If you do end up creating something looking at this, follow me on Instagram and tag me over there so I can see what you've created. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to this channel, because there are a lot of art updates that I keep putting up from time to time, and you can watch all my videos. You can also click on the bell icon to get the notification. Let's now remove the masking tape and see how this looks.